You have to tell me why I am being arrested. First, you have to read me my Miranda rights. You can't just stick somebody in a fucking locked box for no fucking reason. I was on the fucking sidewalk, you piece of shit. You will pay for this. You will go to fucking hell.
The interaction produced 2 third-degree felony charges and a textbook example of how a misdemeanor becomes a felony through legal misunderstanding. The initial stop was lawful. 2 independent citizen reports combined with the officer's direct observation satisfied the 4th Amendment under Terry v. Ohio, 1968.
I'm with the St. Augustine. Okay, I'm with the St. Augustine Police Department. Okay. I don't have a problem with you. I don't know you.
Right.
I don't know your little boy here.
Yes.
Okay. But
I'm being confronted, undocumented, for no reason. Like you're.
I'm sorry. Can you 10-9?
St. Augustine is hit or miss, whether or not you hit evil or you hit good.
If someone can start rolling this way, just code 1, just because I'm in the middle of traffic holding everything up. So because of where we're at right now, what I'm just asking is if you and I can just have an adult conversation.
I'm always up for adult conversation.
All right. Would you prefer to walk that way?
I would prefer to have documentation of your copies of record.
Okay.
Of the complaints.
Okay, well, I've gotten 2 phone calls so far. Okay.
I would love documentation.
Okay, well, I can't provide that to you right now in the middle of the bridge, okay?
Can you...
I'd be more than happy to get that to you, but what I'm wondering is, for our safety and for the vehicles...
Do you think we're unsafe right now? On this fucking solid brick?
Here, I've got... You're cussing at me.
Am I cussing?
Yes.
How have I cussed at you?
Okay.
When have I cussed at you? Because I feel
You've been using the F word ever since I got here.
Really?
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not right now.
Because I haven't used the F word at all.
Okay, sweetie, are you okay?
So you are the problem.
Okay.
Okay, so get back in your
I'm going to recommend that
I'm going to recommend
that
you get in your fucking SUV. Because you are making shit up that is not fucking happening. And I will contact my lawyer.
Okay.
You cannot fucking resist us.
Okay.
You want to be a cop right now? Go right ahead.
Yeah,
we will wait it out.
I'm thinking she's going to fight. So
it's not a fight.
Okay.
It's a ground.
Well, I mean, so here's
because she wants to interfere with my opening.
Yeah.
How was I interfering?
Okay. Sweetheart.
Ooh, witchcraft.
Sweetheart,
Ooh,
are you okay? You're not okay.
Please document.
Okay.
Is that documented?
Okay.
Is that documented for court? Is that documented for court? Is it documented for court? Because that's what we're talking about. What are we doing?
We're going to put you in handcuffs.
For what? Are we just going to talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
Terry requires only reasonable articulable suspicion, specific, objective facts that a person may be engaged in criminal activity. That threshold was met at first contact. Florida Statute Section 856.11 defines disorderly intoxication as being intoxicated and causing a public disturbance in a public place. Both elements were present.
We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
Everybody on this bridge is nice? You vetted them? You sure they're not fucking...
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape. Because that's not true.
There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me. Okay?
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed, and I am happy, and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
Do you want to get on here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge. If you, yes.
Replay the tape right now before we leave. Stay still.
I'll let him get in front with me.
Okay.
Stay
Perfect.
still.
Thank you.
Before we
over for me?
replay the
Could you
tape.
step over for me?
Because I have not
Go ahead and
cussed
step
at you.
over.
Come on.
Until you admit that I have not cussed at you once, I'm not.
Would you please?
Can you
No,
please just...
no, I'm not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Just don't kick me, okay?
I would love to. I'm not going to.
I'm a nice guy. You don't want to.
Are you? Well, she's not a nice girl. She's a fucking corrupt cop. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up.
You can
Stand up.
follow you fucking molest fucking people
Okay.
all the fucking time.
Don't just
Fucking
step
piece of shit.
in.
No, I'm not stepping into the fucking truck for no fucking reason. Why am I being
other side.
Tell me. No. I'm not.
Please.
No.
Please.
You have to tell me why I am being arrested.
Get up.
First,
Disorderly
you have to
conduct.
read me my Miranda rights. You can't just fucking stick somebody in a fucking locked box for no fucking reason. I was on the fucking sidewalk, you piece of shit. You will pay for this. You will go to fucking hell. You will go to hell.
Okay.
Hold on, I'm not going to deal with this.
Hey, hold on 1 second. Oh. Open your front door. Open your front door.
Get it.
Open the car. Open the car. Put it on the ground.
Bitch. Grab you by the tongue, you motherfuckers. You fucking fuckers. Oh, mace me now. You gonna mace a fucking 5 foot, 3 foot girl? For what? You're walking across the bridge? You!
We got her.
You've got handcuffs?
Get her.
Yeah, good luck. Getting them in together.
Get her legs. Get her hand.
She's fighting, sorry.
Yeah, why are you ever... You know this is going to court, right? This is not gonna fucking look good on you. Oh God, you guys are pieces of fucking
Grab
corrupt
the shackles.
fucking shit. Your shit stinks so fucking bad. It's fucking heartbreaking. It's so fucking heartbreaking. That's how corrupt
We're still
you
trying to get
are.
under control.
I'm gonna get her in the car.
He took my baby from me. Yes, I will fucking resist.
Let's get her in the car. And we'll get these on. It'll be much easier. Okay?
Yes. The corrupt fucking police that you are. You are fucking out for every motherfucker. I hope you break a fucking bone.
Lift her up. I'm stuck. Lift her up. She's got me wrapped around her. Get off me!
Like really?
Get off me!
Are you?
We need to get her shackled.
What is her deal?
Yeah. What is all this deal? What is this deal? Because I told you the truth.
What's going on?
Because I'm a fucking whistleblower.
Oh, she's got battery on Leo. I know that much. And disorderly conduct. She's wrapped around my leg cap.
Alright, let go. Get her up. Let go of his leg. Let go of his leg.
No. Tell him to let go of me.
Get off my leg.
Right there. Oh.
I will trade my life for another. I can't wait for you to go to
She needs to be
court.
hobbled
I
and
will
placed in that car. We can't lift her up one more time.
The subject demanded Miranda warnings as a precondition of physical compliance. This is the critical legal error of this entire encounter. Miranda v. Arizona 384 United States 436 1966 requires advisement only before custodial interrogation, questioning designed to elicit incriminating statements. Miranda does not attach to the act of arrest itself. It does not attach to handcuffing. It does not attach to placement in a patrol vehicle. No interrogation occurred on camera. Miranda was not triggered. The subject's refusal to comply carried no legal authority whatsoever.
You fucking for the wrong and her baby. You fucking for what? For what?
Where's
He's got the kid.
Alright. We pick her up on all four sides and we'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Someone grab the legs, two of
Yes.
us grab the front, and we'll just throw her in there.
Can we get this wrapped around her? No, I'm doing it differently. me.
Oh, I see. You want to wrap it like that? Honey, poke it through here. Hold on.
Even if you have to tie it up more.
Yeah, let's tie it up more. For what?
Ready, sister?
I'm sorry, I
Grab
didn't
the
hear.
Cap, get in
Why?
there.
I'm being
Come on,
charged.
Cap,
I'm
get in.
treated like a fucking animal in the
What
first
is
place.
this?
There hasn't even been an exchange of
We
conversation.
check her while she's down. We search her.
God, I cannot wait till fucking Morgan and Morgan fucking talk
Good.
about this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Coming in.
You are losing your fucking jobs, bro.
Got her, Cap?
You.
Okay, got her?
Go fuck yourselves. Get the fuck off of me, pervert.
Stop.
You stop. You can't fucking force me. Fucking do whatever the fuck I want. I'm in the fucking cab. Oh, you feeling real good? Aren't you? I'm already fucking detained, you fucking pervert.
You want to kick me in the face one more time?
Oh, you
Huh?
want to fucking detain me for no fucking reason, fucking asshole. Oh.
Stop hitting me.
Oh, yeah,
Hey.
stop fucking detaining me
Can
for
you
some
grab my glasses?
fucking reason. Fucking pervert.
You slipped out the handcuff.
What?
She slipped out the handcuff.
Oh, yeah, Cap.
Ooh,
Get the handcuff on her hand. Get the handcuff on her hand.
Yeah, what is this for? Oh,
We're gonna
oh
have
my
to dump her
god.
out. We're gonna have to dump her back out.
I'm going over.
Hey, grab my
over.
glasses and shit right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to
Grab
be
her
home.
legs. She can only
Oh,
kick us
grab
from
her
here.
legs.
Grab the
Oh,
shackles.
grab her legs. Grab her shackles. For what?
You got that on?
Because you don't fucking know what to do with an unbounded soul. One that can't be fucking bought. Like you. You all are fucking bought. You fucking bots. You fucking bots. You are not
She's
fucking
shackled with her
American.
hands.
You're fucking bots.
Yeah.
You fucking
No,
bots.
they're not.
That is fucking so heartbreaking. That you
I got
really
it.
sold your souls of America for
I got
fucking what? A
Yeah, but if
draw
she's shackled from her feet to her
interaction?
hands anymore.
For
No.
what? You know this is all fucking recorded. And the shit that you were saying
The hat over there?
ooh, is not true.
Not in the car.
I don't see it. I cannot fucking wait till you fucking rot.
Got it?
My son has a witness.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
We're not fucking good, you fucking piece of
She get on tight enough. She get on.
Stop acting up! Stop! Stop acting up!
I'm gonna
Stop!
all the fucking way.
Stop!
For no
go.
fucking reason.
Stop! Let go.
You
Stop,
fucking stop, you fucking piece of shit.
I got this arm. You got that arm?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that arm? Oh, you're so strong.
How's she fucking sliding out of these things?
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can. We'll double
Oh, you're
handcuff
so strong. Why am I being arrested again? And treated like a fucking animal?
double handcuff her.
No, don't handcuff her.
Put another hand to
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to fucking do with an unbounded soul. You're like, we don't know what to do with her. Because she's gonna fucking sue the fuck out of us and fuck our families over. And that's her livelihood. Well, that's fucking your fucking karma. You fucking piece of shit.
Let's examine the constitutional. As resistance escalated, the use of force analysis shifts to Graham v. Connor 490 United States 386, 1989. Graham establishes three factors: the severity of the underlying crime, the immediate threat the subject poses, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to flee. The underlying offense remained a second-degree misdemeanor. However, sustained physical resistance, escaping handcuffs, kicking, wrapping around an officer's leg, fully satisfied the third Graham factor and elevated the threat analysis under the second. Force escalation was legally supported. Florida Statute Section 77605 authorizes the force necessary to effect a lawful arrest and specifies that officers need not retreat from a resisting subject. The wrap hobble device deployed after standard handcuffing falls within the authorized force continuum at this resistance level, provided the agency's medical monitoring protocol was followed post-application. Throughout this sequence, the subject's verbal statements, however profane, remain constitutionally protected. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987,